Good evening. I'm coming to you from a very special place this evening. It may look like there's just a Hampton Inn behind me, but would you believe that this Hampton Inn is in Paris? Oh yeah, the Primetime Travelers. We went Euro, baby. We went to Paris. Not quite. We're in Tennessee. Paris, Tennessee to be exact. And yes, they do have an Eiffel Tower and we are going to go see it tomorrow morning. But we've been driving all day, doing some vlogging, doing some videos. So we're kind of tired, so we're going to go inside, get checked in, and see what this place is all about. This place has a perfect 5.0 rating. So we got to show you what this hotel's all about. All right, let's go make some memories.
Over here is the lobby. So this is the breakfast area and the lounge area. They have boardrooms here. A nice water station, I love those. Another nice sitting area right here. And this is where those bathrooms are. Guest laundry is this way, so let's go see it. Okay, this is your guest laundry. I don't know the prices of them because they're both being used. I don't think it says anywhere, so no. And I don't see them having anything to purchase here. I'm guessing you would have to go to that market that we saw up front. Breakfast hours are from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. They have a boardroom. Oh, this is a fitness center. Let's see. I like that the doors are like frosted. And currently nobody's using it, so this is a perfect time to show you. Very nice new equipment. All types of equipment, the bands, the weights, more weights here, bench. All types of good equipment. There's nice towels on all of them, so it's kept up with, fresh, clean. Everything smells nice. They have earbuds here. I wouldn't say I would use those just because they're not bagged. Trash and dirty towels. Plenty of towels, disinfecting wipes, a place to hang up your towel if you need to. Very, very, very nice. I like this place a lot. They also have an area that says vending, but it's just a nice machine. And then from the elevators, you have the outside pool area. It is open till 10. No glass containers allowed. Do have my key with me. They do have a nice area to sit down. Let's go inside. Why not? So it doesn't have a key access. It's just normal. Trash only. I love these chairs. They seem nice. I'm gonna sit down on one. Pool seems nice. I wonder if it's cold. Nice sitting areas all over the pool. Rather large pool. It goes from 5 feet to 3 feet, so not too deep. A lot safer for the little ones. The surrounding area, you're kind of out in the middle of nowhere. Big, huge parking lot, which is super nice. Next door is a car dealership. So not a lot going on right here, but just a little bit down the road, you do find all types of restaurants and everything that you might need. So in general, it's not too far from anything that you might want. There you go. Time to relax.
All right, so coming off the elevator right here to your right is a ice machine up here on the 4th floor, which is great. And let's see where our room is. We are this way. Yep, that's us. So let's see, I always show this. Your maximum daily room rate is there. It's $9.99. Yikes, I'm not paying no $1,000. All right, let's see what this bathroom looks like. All right, I like the bathroom because it's got a nice big shower, and I like that it has the doors. I prefer these kind of showers over the tubs. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. What do you guys think? Shower, tubs, or showers with just the sliding doors like this? All right, and then we've got the mirror here and the sink. Everything in here. Everything in here looks pretty clean. All right, let's see what we got over here. We got some hooks to hang up our jackets, which we do have our jackets on this trip because it has been raining a lot. We got our thermostat over here. Make it nice and chilly in here to sleep good. We got 2 queen beds, which is nice. Storage space. I pulled out the extra luggage rack because we just got the 2 suitcases, so we can do one there, one there. And let's see what else we got. Hey, check this out. I'm only silver status. Oh, that's so sad. Tori, I think, is diamond. Or was diamond. I think she might be gold now. She kind of bounces back and forth. And then over here we've got 2 nice lights, some plugs, and some USBs, alarm clock, and a phone. Somebody's doing construction equipment in the other room. You've got a mini fridge down here. Let's see what's in there. Nothing's in the mini fridge, but it is a little chilly. It feels like it could get set colder. I'll have to check it. And we got a microwave, and we've got coffee stuff down here at the bottom. And then on this side, we've just got 3 drawers for storage space. The Bible's in one. Nothing in that one, nothing in the bottom one. And then you've got a nice desk space here. The desk space, I know a lot of people don't care that much about, unless if you're somebody who does a lot of work. And even people who do work a lot of times will just prop themselves up in the bed and will sit up with their back up against the back of the bed and their laptop. I always like working in the chair sitting at the desk, so I always use this. You can see I've already got my phone charging there, which is great. And this is our view looking out. Can't really see much because it's literally just the woods back there. But yeah, all in all, the room looks pretty good. We gotta check the beds still. We always kind of do like a nice check on the beds where I'm just gonna show you this because people probably wonder what the heck it is that we do. We always pull the sheets back. Where's the sheet? Here it is. Piece of lint. We always pull the sheets back just to make sure, the bed looks okay, that the sheets aren't stained, that there's not hair all over or anything gross, because we had a hotel that we stayed in that had sheets with pee stains all over them, like somebody had peed all over the bed. And they didn't bother changing any of it. It was gross. It was just dried. The most important thing with a hotel for us is cleanliness. Price matters, cleanliness, safety, that matters.
A good tip is to carry your own disinfecting wipes and just kind of wipe down the surfaces that everybody touches. More than likely that's the part that they clean, but just in case, like the little handles, the control, the switches, even the handles on the chairs, the door handle, all that stuff that everybody would touch that they might miss. I like to keep them clean. So
when you were checking,
I wear flip-flops in the shower.
So when you were checking this room, how clean was everything?
It was pretty clean. There was a few issues with hair, but long hair. So I get picky about that. So a little extra work today.
Wasn't me.
It wasn't me either because I hadn't been in there at all. So, but overall it looks pretty clean and new and friendly staff. So good so far.
So I guess I missed a couple things in here in the bathroom. There's extra toilet paper there. And then this is where they keep the hairdryer. I forgot to show that. Reason being why I didn't show that is because I ain't got no hair, so I don't use the hairdryer, so I forgot. And then one thing I don't like about this room is this. I absolutely hate the sliding door for the bathroom. This one's actually not bad because you can't really see in it. But there's been somewhere it doesn't even close right, and you can see all inside if somebody's sitting on the toilet.
Plus it exposes the closet, so it's just kind of silly, really.
Yeah, so then the closet in here has an ironing board and some hangers. Typical hotel closet. The good thing is the shelf that's up here is actually pretty tall. See, if you need to stash something up there, it's a good spot to put it, I guess. All right, so that was our room tour. So my guess is the next time you're going to see me is when we wake up in the morning and we'll be at breakfast. good morning. This is going to wrap up our visit here to the Hampton Inn in Paris, Tennessee. A couple things I wanted to mention was Valerie was the lady who checked us in last night. She was very, very nice, very kind, very helpful. She actually sent a text message to my phone asking if the room looked okay and was up to our expectations, if there was anything we that we needed brought up to us or done or anything about the room, which was kind of cool because I've never had that experience where they text you. And then this morning, I didn't get the lady's name, but the lady at breakfast was really sweet. And then the lady that just took care of us when I checked out, her name was Kayla. Kayla was very, very sweet and friendly and kind as well. And I can see why this hotel has 5 stars online. Literally, it's got like a perfect ranking, at least at the time when we recorded it, and there's a lot of stays. And I'm going to follow that up, and I'm going to give it a 5 as well. All in all, we had a good time. We dipped our toes in the pool last night. The shower had great water pressure. The breakfast was good. It was weird because the breakfast was so quiet. There was nobody else there but like one other lady with a kid, and that was it. And the breakfast was empty, but everything that we ate was good and fresh, which was nice experience. All right, so if you enjoy our any of our video content, please go ahead and hit that like button. If you like this particular video, if you like any of our other content, make sure you hit that subscribe button because you're missing out. We post new videos every week. We post a brand new short every single day on our channel as well, from all different walks of life. The Nissan dealership next door is paging somebody. So if you like this, leave me a comment down below, like it, share it with anybody you know who would enjoy this, or if they're passing through Paris, Tennessee, or off to go see that Paris Eiffel Tower. I may include that footage right now. So it was a short little like 3-minute drive from the hotel. Check it out, we made it to the Eiffel Tower. It's a little tinier than I expected it to be. Not quite the one in Paris, France, but it's still pretty neat. How often do you get to say you were in Paris and saw the Eiffel Tower? I know this is my first time. Alright guys, thanks for watching as always. Greetings from Paris. We'll see you down the road. We'll see you soon.